Our new Kryo Chipset perfects the fundamentals of a great smartphone. Packed with innovation and technology, it boasts a photo mode camera, an intelligent battery, and smart features that adapt to you. And it's all delivered in a stunning, evolved design. The camera with 3 times the precision Xperia XZ comes loaded with the advanced photography technologies you recognize from other Xperia smartphones. We've also added triple image sensing technology to analyze, adapt and capture perfect shots in challenging conditions. Capture moving objects in any light without blur. Life's best subjects are rarely still for long. Xperia XZ allows you to capture even moving objects before the moment passes you by. Bringing together the power of an imaging sensor and a laser autofocus sensor, you can freeze movement in the sharpest detail, even when the light is low. True to life colors in any light, our RGB CIR sensor delivers incredibly accurate colors, whether you're in bright sun or indoors. It analyzes and adapts to any light, reproducing colors just as you see them. So your pictures don't need any extra punch before sharing.